For everyone that says flex core welders are awful and they're not worth anything, I'll let you know this is stainless and mild steel, and I welded this piece in here 2 years ago. No issues, no cracks, no nothing. So right now, I've got to take these off, and if you can see that right there? So I've got to put a bevel on the top side of that flange right there so that it sits right. Both sides. Getting closer for sure. So I've got this little piece to weld in here, and then that'll be good for the hot side for now. I've got the headers lined up so they're good now. Man, making progress. Once I get this part done, it's gonna be home free. We're gonna be mounting the turbo, we're gonna mount the intercooler, all the piping, all the accessories. Woo! Good enough for my house. If you've never welded with a flux core welder, you don't know what you're missing out on. Stainless, mild steel, stainless. Look at that. Hot side done? You kidding me? Hell yeah. So I've got to go get some wrap and some paint. I'm going to paint this stuff just so that it, doesn't get heat everywhere. And I've never had the headers wrapped, but I might try that too. I know why I never spent the time to wrap these headers before, because wow, that takes forever. But it looks all right. Got sealant on everything there. Those are torqued down. All of this stuff's torqued down. Finally, it's on and ready to rock. So, excited about that. So now I can start building the accessories. Got the water pump to get on. We got the alternator, stab the distributor, all that good stuff. And then it'll be freaking time for fans and cold side, turbo, all that. I'm just over here giving her. Trying to get as much done as I can. Accessories. I shouldn't say accessories. Accessory. Mounted on the front. We got an alternator, water pump, idler pulley. Man, she's looking sexy. So right now I'm getting ready to mount the turbo, and then I'm gonna start getting all of the cold side piping done. That doesn't look different than it used to. I don't know what to tell you. Man, got so much stuff buttoned up in here. Got to start laying out the wiring harness into here. I've already got most of it done, so hopefully after I get a couple more hoses, I've got this coolant bypass hose I got to get in. I cut that line, so I got to get another piece of heater hose. And then once I get that in, then I'll put my upper hose in. I've got to get my oil fitting. Look at this. You can just see right in there now. Look at that. So I've got to get my oil fitting. I've got to get that done, and then I can tee and my oil pressure sensor on it. That way I can hook up my oil line. But otherwise, this is so nice having everything in here. See the catch cans right here. Coolant overflow tank. It's my oil filter relocation kit. And I could run the oil filter where the stock one goes, but yeah, it's all good. Home stretch, another day or two. It's crazy. Nice thing was I had all my tabs for everything fabbed up beforehand, and I already made sure everything fit. Had the whole front end on, I had the intercooler in, I fabbed up mounts for everything. And then I took it all apart. So painted it, just a light coat of paint, and then putting it all back together was just easy. Just putting the hardware in and whew. All right, it's late. I got to get some sleep. Got to work tomorrow. After work, back on this beast. Drive fast, take chances.